guys gonna do a section
Zero throttle.
I like this.
25%. Zero throttle.
That's good.
I like
Gear
that.
up.
That's cool. Okay.
It needs to be bright yellow though.
25, 50%.
Oh, that's going to be a good one.
50%. 50%. G limit disengaged. Box 2. 50%. 50%. 25%. 50%. 50%.
You're going to do some acrobatics. Yeah, go
G
ahead.
limit disengaged.
Okay.
50%. Zero throttle.
Somebody without a prompt.
Yeah.
You can't,
Yeah, you're not, at that point you're not.
Rogan for 30
25. Zero throttle.
My wife takes these survey things.
Reverse full. Speed brake closed. 0.
To get the diamond, it's a little plastic tray you put the beads in, and that one spool that's about this long. Yeah.
50%. Gear up.
Yep, that plane's ready to go. We're going to throw it.
Okay, go throw it, Johnny.
Okay.
0. 25, 50%. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 0. 25, 50%.
You were floating for a little bit, weren't you?
That was the whole intention.
Yep.
50%. 0. 25%. 50%. 0. 25, 50%. 50%. 50%. 0. 20, 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%.
Sounds like the train is going over.
50, 0. 25%. 50%. 55%. 50%. 25, 50%. 25%. 50%. 50%.
They would.
0.
I know, but I don't like being right in those kind of cases.
Yep.
Whoop.
Percent. Gear up. 50%. 50%.
Too close. Sorry, Fredo.
No, you're fine. Do it again. Whatever you want.
You might rain.
50%.
Yeah.
50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. 0. 25%. 50%.
Power off. Oh.
Zero.
Okay, so now we just proved something. Everybody says this is a very fast plane. It is,
50%.
but against a 90mm F-22, it is not. I had to throttle all the way up, and you were just braking, barely breaking a sweat.
50%.
Yeah, it looks like I got about 3 of them.
So this is the plane that gave me the courage to mess with the F-22s. With the maneuvering.
Oh, yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
And that little 70mm is super forgiving. And doesn't seem to want to crash to the ground as quick as the 90, so.
50%.
Well, they say that 70 all in all is a much better airplane than the 90.
That's what it feels like.
50%.
But it's funny because people ask me, why do you say that? And I'm like, it's really hard to
30
quantify.
seconds.
Got just little bits of everything.
Yep. That looked nice. Johnny, I got some pictures of planes by the moon.
There we go.
Oh, you did?
20 seconds.
See that?
Well, let's
Were they
see.
both in there?
I don't know.
10,
I have to.
9,
I tried.
8,
I don't know.
7,
Okay, I'm done.
5, 3, gear down, 2, 0.
Yeah, I
Immediately.
think so.
Land
Yeah,
immediately.
we don't need to get too much darker on all of us.
0.
Oh, really?
25%. 0. 20, 0. 0.